Bruh, I've been trying to get my hands on this shoe, and I struck out every time because my order got canceled, the seller didn't want to ship, etc, etc. But guess what, y'all? They finally landed. Play my sound clip, please. YouTube family. What's good? What's going on with y'all, man? Your boy Jay is back again, man, to hit y'all with this sneaker content, and I'm excited for this one, man. This is a shoe that I have wanted. I have mentioned it in this week's and sneaks back when this shoe released. I want to say it released March. I think these released in March, y'all. Crazy story. Real quick, man. Look, real quick, if this is your first time watching, make sure you stick around, hit that subscribe button. I'm about to hit y'all with a quick story time. I need y'all to be subscribed to take in this type of info, man. So if this is your first, second, and third, or so on and so forth time watching, and you have not yet joined the family, please take a second real quick, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, man. I'm here, man. I'm late, but your boy Jay has to hit y'all with this daily content. So yes, real quick, like I said, this shoe I want to say released in March, and anticipated it, struck out like it was bodied. The release had to be bodied because at 10 a.m. on the dot, 10 a.m. Eastern was when it dropped, and it instantly said this item is not available. Nope. That is via the Foot Locker app or website. You know what I'm saying? Like those type of apps, Hibbit, stuff like that, they get bodied as soon as the time of the drop comes. It says the product is no longer available. So that's what happened with this shoe. I went to GOAT, and this shoe was like $187. $187, and I told myself, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna spin the block on those. I ain't pressured. I'm gonna get them whenever I feel like getting them, and that's gonna be that. So a month went by. That shoe jumped up, I want to say maybe double the price. It was like $280 something. What? Maybe low threes at that time, and I was like, ooh, they getting up there. So finally caught wind of the shoe. I seen it scrolling down social media, and I was like, you know what, I gotta get my hands on those shoes. So I instantly went over to the GOAT app and I bought that shoe. I think I paid like $380 initially. Paid the $380, then comment down below as well too, what possible shoe could I be talking about, y'all? Released in March. While I'm telling y'all the story, I need y'all to fill up the comment section. What shoe do you think your boy Jay has in this box that I finally got my hands on? But anyways, some of y'all are gonna know too. For those of you who watch the channel, you already gonna know what's in this box because I mentioned it recently. But anyways, like I said, I paid like $380 something for it at the time. I think I'm gonna give it away. I'm gonna give it away if I tell the full story, man. So to be continued. I'm gonna pick up where I left off, trust me, y'all. But appreciate y'all. We gonna get into this box, and then I'm definitely gonna pick up where I left off because it is a crazy story. But the title, it should say something about this shoe increasing in price or something along those lines, y'all, because this shoe shot up, y'all, in a matter of a week. This shoe went up by like $600, $700, y'all. Crazy. So I'm here to see what all the hype's about, and finally got my hands on them. So let's get to it, y'all. Appreciate you again. Bang! So here you see it, man. We do got the cardboard box, y'all. This does come from GOAT. GOAT. I did go over to GOAT, man. Like I said, I don't even know how many times I've tried to buy the shoe. This might have been like my third or fourth time trying to buy it, and I got it this time around. I'm trying to find my knife, man. Where did I put my knife? Over here. But yeah, my order got canceled, and I'm like, yo, I already know it's gonna get canceled because the prices are going up. The sellers are not shipping them out because of this in particular reason, which like I said, I'll tell y'all once I show y'all the shoe because I don't want to spoil it, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to spoil it, but y'all comment down below, man. Would y'all pick these up? Are y'all interested in them? And I do have here a black box with a V-style logo. Got them guys. Bang, y'all. So this right here, if you guys do not know, it is not a V. It is a So that is Anthony Edwards logo. And I know y'all like, Jay, you got an Anthony Edwards shoe, but you rocking all that Jordan, you know what I'm saying, stuff? Man, look, if you are a fan of the game, you gotta know where he got his game from, because when I tell you Anthony Edwards is Baby Jordan / Michael Jordan Part 2, hey, you best believe it, bruh. This is the new Jordan, you know what I'm saying? So yes, man, I did pick up a pair of AE's color blocking, and size tag on this one reads SMU AE1. Color blocking is FTW white, red, SLD bow blue. Weird color blocking. That's Adidas for you. But size 9, y'all. These AE1s do fit true to size. So if you guys plan on picking up any AE1s, they do fit true to size. Very nice fitting shoes. But got the lines on the side, as you can see. Adidas. He is holding the torch, y'all. If you ask me, bruh, he is holding the torch for Adidas, man. But do got my Go Authenticity card right here where I can scan and prove that it was authenticated and all that good stuff. But I do have finally the AE1. This was on my This Week's in Sneaks, but I took the L, ended up having to pay resale. But the AE1 All Americans, we gotta take them both out for this. We gotta show them both, because this is how they coming. You feel me? Finally got him. Bang! Yes, sir. So back to my story time, y'all. Where I left off, y'all, I was telling you guys how my order got canceled, and I was telling you guys about how the prices of these jumped up like $700 in a matter of a week. And the reason for that jump was the Timberwolves got to the second round in the playoffs, and the prices of these instantly shot up. And I was like, whoa. And I actually purchased my first pair, my first time trying to get them. I purchased these before they won that round, but I guess they didn't ship them out. They were just watching what happened, and lo and behold, y'all, like as soon as they won that first round, prices of the AE1, this in particular colorway, the All-American, which happens to be, if y'all don't know, one of the most limited shoes of 2024, y'all. These are super limited, so limited to y'all don't even realize probably how limited these are. Very, very limited, very, very exclusive drop. Only with Foot Locker. I don't think nobody else got them outside of Foot Locker. And of course, that whole drop was bodied. But like I said, y'all, these were $187 on StockX at one point in time. They are now seeing the thousands, the 1Ks, the 700s, the 800s, the 900s. They are up in price, y'all, man. But yes, like I said, they won that first round. Seller didn't ship out my shoes. Prices went up. I had to go for them for the 500, but AE1 All-Americans, bang! So here I have them, y'all, and I'm not the biggest fan of opposite color shoes. Like, I'm not the biggest fan of that, man, but I'm a big fan of these, man. The meaning behind it, of course, the All-American, of course, the high schoolers, the greatest players all throughout the country who do get a chance to play in the All-American McDonald's game, y'all. Of course, Anthony Edwards was one of those players, so he does pay his homage and his respects to that whole movement with the AE1 in the All-American colorway, y'all. But these right here are going to the feet, and I'm not balling in them, y'all. These are strictly summertime vibes, y'all. Casual wear, y'all. I told you guys the AE1 is definitely one of the most recent and like, I mean, it's been a while since I can put a stamp on the basketball shoes in 2024, 2023, and so on and so forth, that we can, you know, really get away and rock casually. But these can definitely be styled casually, man. I seen them recently from the homie, not the homie, because I don't even know him, but from the rapper Wale, man. Wale rocked them right there in that fit. As you can see, yes, although they're a two-tone color shoe, you can still pull them off with the right fits, man. And I think it's all on how you put it together. These will look right with what you put on. You just got to know what you're doing, man. You cannot go too crazy. You can't do too much with the red and the blue because you're gonna look like Ronald McDonald out here, man. And it does come with a set of yellow laces, speaking of Ronald McDonald, but I think I'm gonna leave them white. I think I'm gonna leave the white laces in there because it kind of calms it down, gives it a nice little clean look, man. But yes, y'all, as you can see the back, of course, you got the blue, you got the red, and you got the McDonald's logo. So this is an official collab with McDonald's, of course, and Adidas, Anthony Edwards, they all had to collab on this one. But more McDonald's branding right here on the tongue, right there in the front, man. So yo, these is solid, y'all. And like I said, man, I only see the prices of these going up even more if, let's just say if, Minnesota wins the championship. You know what I'm saying? And I think that's what a lot of people are waiting for. A lot of people are holding on to these. They're not shipping them out. They're pulling the plug on selling them right now because they just want to see how far Anthony Edwards can go, y'all. And they know right now that the AE1s is a high demanded and popular basketball shoe. And I think, you know, with the buzz that it's getting, it's actually starting to become a more of a casual wear shoe because I'm seeing more and more people throw them on casually. And like I said, I'm a fan of them, y'all. Your boy Jay is a fan of them because I'm definitely throwing these on casually, y'all. For the 5, these gotta go on feet just casually. These are not being worn for no basketball court or nothing like that. If I paid the 187, oh yeah, we could throw them on the court. We could do a little hooping in them, but not for no 5, y'all. But I'm trying to get the insole out to show you guys more of the All-American McDonald's branding right there on the tongue. I mean the insole, not tongue, but you do have some on the tongue. But on the insole, you got some McDonald's branding right there. So yeah, man, these are dope, y'all. A lot of little different subtle details on this shoe. I'm glad I finally got my hands on a pair, y'all. Like I told y'all, 4 times, y'all. I tried 4 times ordering these. My order got canceled or it didn't get shipped out. Well, it ended up getting canceled at the end of the day. Every single time due to the fact of the seller not shipping these out, man. But definitely a clean pair of shoes, and we can all resort to the same thing when it comes to just modern Adidas shoes. They look like Yeezys. We gotta call it what it is, bro. They look like Yeezys. Look at the toe box, man. Look at the toe box on these AE1s, y'all. So we gotta call a spade and keep it a buck around here. But yeah, they look like Yeezys. But you still got some more All-American branding on the lace tips. One says McDonald's, if you can see it. I don't know if you can, but one lace tip says McDonald's. Other lace tip says All-American. So they did go all out with the All-American theme, of course, on these. But yeah, man, dope, bruh. Dope. Like I said, the name of these are called the SMUs. This isn't on the other pair of AE1s that I got. It just says, I want to say AE1, but these are branded SMU on the tag, y'all. But fire, man. These are dope. Definitely let me know your thoughts and opinions on these. Do you think that these will go up even more, y'all? And should I make a video, y'all? I've been thinking about some content I want to bring to you guys, like maybe on a weekend, like a Saturday, maybe even a Friday night. I want to talk to you guys about shoes like this. Shoes that, you know, go under the radar. Nobody really talks about. They just all of a sudden just get a lot of interest and they just shoot up in value. For example, these right here. And I know y'all like, what are those? Keisha Joe Fresh Good 997s, right? 990s, 990 V4s. I'm tripping. 990s, bro. These are 1200 plus 1300s for these New Balance, y'all. Y'all probably don't know about these. So what I plan on doing maybe is hitting you guys with like a video that shows a lot of shoes that I might have in my collection that you guys might not know about that has shot up in price. Real quick, another shoe, y'all. Another shoe that instantly shot up. I got this shoe for $500. I paid like $450 for these. I paid $450 for this in particular shoe, and this in particular shoe has now shot up to around $1,200. Bang! The A6 Gallery Department joints, y'all. So the Gallery Department A6, y'all. these have shot up ridiculously in price, y'all. So yeah, I like to do a video with that and just chopping it up with y'all, showing y'all the prices of what these shoes are going for now, and you know what they previously were going for. Like I said, man, I paid $4.50 for these, and yeah, it was a good buy in my opinion. I still haven't worn mine, still DS, so I can get me double the amount I put into these if I wanted to do that. But you know, I wear my shoes, so I'm holding on to those. Those ain't going nowhere, man. But yes, comment down below, should I hit y'all with a video like that showing you all these shoes who have jumped up in price, and give me your thoughts and opinions on the AE1 All-American McDonald's joints, man. I'm finally, bro, I'm glad I got them, bro. Glad I got them. These are going on casually. Summertime kicks for sure. But yes, man, Baby Jordan 2, aka Ant-Man, you know what I'm saying? In the building. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on these. Should I do a movie with these? I think it's movie worthy, because I don't think nobody really has an on feet of these out there, man. But y'all comment down below. Appreciate y'all as always. Y'all stay blessed. I will be back tomorrow. I got a movie for y'all, man, so stay tuned for that. And outside of that, hey, price just keeps rising. Good luck to Minnesota and I guess everybody else that's playing in their playoffs right now. But peace, I'm gone.